A very good afternoon, defense aspirants. So today's our GD topic is population is blessing or a curse for India. So let's start the topic.
Good afternoon, respected sir, and all the gentlemen. My name is Spursh Dobhal, and I am from Pauri Garhwal, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. I have completed my intermediate in 2021 from RP Public School and completed class 10 in 2019 from Sri Sibali Public School. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts from PG College, Kotdwar. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and football. My plus points are I am good listener and good learner. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. Now coming to today's topic. Today's topic is India's population is blessing or curse. This is a major issue nowadays. As India is a growing population country, it is now world's leading population populated country. It has now overbeaten the China's population. So it has some major perks and cons. India as there is a large population, so it can help to improve the economy of a country or GDP. And also it can decrease the labor cost, as there are many people in the country. And it has some disadvantages also, as there is a large population, so it consumes the large natural resources, so it decreases our natural resources. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Ajay Kumar. I am from Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand. I have completed my intermediate schooling from CBSE board in 2021, and I have got appreciated marks in 10th as well as in 12th boards. Right now I am pursuing my graduation from PG College, Kotdwar, Uttarakhand. My hobbies are listening music, playing outdoor games like football, volleyball, etc. Today's topic is about population, increasing population of India, a curse or a blessing. According to India's population, or according to some sources, India has now become the world's most populated country of the world. It has some merits as well as some demerits. Like India it will easily produce because the population of country is increasing. So it is very easy to find labor for the works, and it will also increases the manpower of our country and some.
Next.
Morning everyone. Thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. My name is Aman Chauhan. I am from Kotdwar, Uttarakhand. I have completed my intermediate in year 2022, and now currently I am pursuing graduation. My hobby are playing volleyball or kabaddi. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will give me chance to serve my mother nation. So now coming to the topic, that is Indian population, a curse or a blessing. It is one of the most debating issues nowadays, as India has become number one in population as currently from many reports. But its India population has merits and demerits too, as its merits are increase in labor power. As our population is increasing day by day, it will help the labor power in India. But it has some demerits too, like the increasing in manpower or increasing in population will cause numerous challenges in the society, like as we can see nowadays, to apply for a government job there are various people and very few posts for the a person.
Now the topic.
Okay, gentlemen, as we know that India is now the world's leading population country. As India has reached over the 143 billion the population. It increased the economy, has to increase the economy and GDP of a country, as there is a more labor power, and also it reduces the labor cost.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with you. As increasing of population also lead the more ideas, and the government are also providing with the some campaign like Atmanirbhar Bharat also gives you it gives you a opportunity to increase yourself, and the more the population means the increasing of ideas all over the wide range and area in network in India.
I totally agree with your point. As there is more the population, there will more the idea which will help our country to come forward in various fields.
Yes, I am also sure with your point that by the increase in population of a country produces more ideas in a person's mind, so it will also help the country to grow much, and it will boost the economy of the country.
Yeah, I agree with your point. As there is an increase in population, India has crossed over 143 billion the population. So as there is a more healthy competition among each other. As for a single seat, there are many talented people for a single seat, so that they can take the country to another level.
I totally agree with your point, but according to me, as the population is increasing daily, as population is increasing, so the numerous challenges are also increasing in society, and reservation are also there. So the candidate which actually deserves the seats will not get the seats.
Yes, I agree with you. As increasing of a population is also a curse. As we can take the example, if we talk about the China have more population than us, but they have the resources more than us, and they are more technically raised rather than us. So we have to grow ourselves by increasing our ability to do any work, and increasing of population will lead us up to a level. As we can take the example of India is nowadays growing as a fifth number of GDP all over the world.
I
Yes,
totally
I am
agree with
also
your
sure
point.
with your
As
point
we can
that
see that if the population is
of India is
increasing,
increasing day by day, and the current situation of India is that it is going to it is officially not, but according to some sources, it is the world's most populated country of the world, and it is seen that because of most population, so it is very easy to for a company or for an industry to get cheap cost labor, and it will also give to rise to the manpower and etc.
I totally agree with your point. As we can see that
as there is a large
as the
population,
increasing
there will be the more diversity. There is a large population, there will be more diversity, and anyone can get a chance to meet with the various type of cultures and various type of people, and to know about their society.
I totally agree with your point, but as we can see that it will cause more labor force in our country, but it will also cause the less depletion in natural resources.
Yes, I am also sure with your point that we have to control, we have also control our situation, our population. So government is also taking some initiatives like single child policy, and it is seen that it has some merits like it will control the population. But in other hand, we have seen that in China, which was the most populated country, it implemented a single child policy, due to which the youth power get less in that country.
Yes, I agree with you. Increasing of population means lead to a poverty. As we have seen, the increasing of population is the challenge to a government. As you have give the example of single child policy that government recently released. And also we have seen the certain examples of increasing of population means the global warming, that we can take the examples of recent disaster of Himachal Pradesh, that there is a very heavy flood and disasters which is caused by the heavy populations.
I agree with your point, as heavy overcrowding is causing unemployment in our country. As we can see that numerous number of people are there which are jobless and are below the poverty line, and they are not able to fulfill their daily needs because of overcrowding in our country.
Yeah, I agree with your point, gentlemen. As there is a overcrowded area, so there will be the burden over the health facilities and over the government also to maintain them by giving them the proper healthcare facilities.
Yes, sir, the increase in population in a country also not only increase the pressure on earth, but it also reduces the number of natural resources very high rate. And if a country has less rate and also has a much population, like India does not have so much amount of natural resources, so it will also increase the rate of depletion of natural resources. So we have to take some initiatives to control our.
I agree with your point, gentlemen,
as
as
we
we
can
know
see
that
that
the population is growing
day by day,
and
which is
also
causing
that the main
our forest.
reason of that increasing population is the lack of education. there is a not properly education is provided not properly to the everyone. If there is a proper education for everyone, so they can understand what is the condition of our country.
Yes.
And also they can also take initiative towards the single child policy.
I totally agree with your point. As we can see that the population is increasing day by day, which cause people to which is causing trees to cut down in many various forests are going at decreasing rates, and we can see that for to live, people require a house for living, so they are cutting forests, which is causing lacking amount of oxygen, and people are suffering from various diseases, and global warming is causing. As we can take the example of this month, we can see many flood and disaster in the many states of India like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. The river are overflowing, which is the main reason of population and overcrowding.
Yes, I agree with you. Increasing of population means the consuming of land. As we can take the example of Delhi, that the river of Delhi are very polluted as the increasing of population, and nowadays the people are being selfish and cutting the trees by increasing of population and their natural resources. As rather than we can take the example of China, they have the more land more land than us. So they have the more resources, so we can control the increasing of population by certain campaigns like one single child or any other campaigns.
I agree with your point, gentlemen. I will give you an example. As in the Russia, there are 232 people living per square area, while in India, in Delhi especially, there are 532 people living per square area. So, as comparing their climates, Russia has more better air quality index that of in India. So that the population differs. That population creates this difference.
I totally agree with your point. As we can see that people are, as increase in population, people are causing.
It also increase the pollution rate very high rate, and the more the population, more the uses of natural resources, and more more vehicles people used to buy to travel from one place to another. So it will increase the pollution, and it will harm our nature.
I totally agree with your point. As we can see that overcrowding is causing pollution in our environment, as people are using vehicle for going in small places, and the waste from their houses are going in the river, which is also causing water pollution, and the sound produced by various vehicle and DJ or speaker are also causing noise pollution. So we can see that overcrowding is the main reason of increase in pollution in our country.
Yes, I agree with you. As we can see that in other countries, they are not some of country like North Korea, they are not the democratic country, and there is the control of increasing of population. As India is a democratic country, so the government cannot control the increasing of population. So it is our responsibility to give at least two child of birth and stable the population rate in India.
I agree with your point, gentlemen. As
It's not only
India
the government
now
to
crossed
do,
over
but
the
also
100
to do our common
population, and as the population increases, firstly we polluted our lands for our living, but now also we are polluted our sea routes also. Now there is a very less amount of land left. So now people are started living on the lands, especially on the yachts or their private yachts. They are polluting the sea or ocean also.
Yes,
I
am
totally
also
agree with
sure
your point.
that the increase in population has some demerits, but it has some merits like the more the people, more the minds, and more the ideas come in the more peoples, and it will also increase the rate of thinking ideas coming to the person's mind. So it will also help to our technology to invent more and more inventions, like they can use something, some great inventions can happen to control the pollution in our country, and it will also boost the economy.
I totally agree with your point, but according to me, as the population is increasing day by day, it is also causing unemployment in the country. As you say that it will increase
I agree with your point, gentlemen. As the population, as you said, the population increases. It gives various ideas. But in my opinion, as the population increase, there are the much chances of unemployment. As we can see nowadays, there is a various population. So for a single seat, there are various candidates for that seat, and there are many people who are unemployed.
Yes, I agree with you. Increasing of population means the more the people, the more the growth of India is happening. And as we can take the example of the new youth is coming and creation are emphasizing very much. As we can take the example of our Indian Army. Our Indian Army have a more soldiers as it comes in a second level, second number all over the world, and it supplies the soldiers in any disaster and help the other country. Like we can take the example of recent disaster in other countries.
I partially agree with your point, as we can see that population is causing unemployment, which is causing various candidates who actually deserve the post, but they are not getting, as there are few seats and candidates are more in the country.
Okay, gentlemen. So your GD is over. Now one by one, give the conclusion within 30 to 40 seconds. Start from this question.
Yes, the increasing population, in my opinion, increasing population is a curse more than the blessings. As the population increases, it damages the climate, it increases the global warming, and also it reduces the natural resources which a country save for its future generations. As the population increases, it reduces the natural resources more fast.
Yes, I am. According to me, I got to the conclusion that increasing population is mostly a curse as compared to blessing. And if we have to decrease our population, or if we have to control our population, so our government should take some initiative like single child policy, but in a limited manner, due to which not in a high rate, because it will also decrease the rate of youth power if the government implement or forcefully implemented the single child policy 100%.
After this healthy discussion, we can conclude that every coin has two faces. Like this Indian population as the curse of blessing has also two faces. If we can use our youth power and more labor power, it will be a blessing for us. But if the population will harm our environment and will cause depletion in natural resources, it will be a curse for us. Thank you.
In a conclusion, I would like to say increasing of population is lead to unemployment. As Indian government take the initiative to Atmanirbhar Bharat and single child policy in India. And if we talk about the climate change, so if we can control the population by using electric vehicles and not consuming the much natural resources.